the Mahindra Training Center with Cruz and Frodo. We are right now waiting in a Thar, as you can see, and our view is this.
Amazing. I just got back and I somehow managed to climb the small steep slope. It was too much fun. A lot of adrenaline rush. And then getting back down was another adventure. But yeah, these guys are really good at what they do. Mahindra Adventures. You guys are doing a great job.
You're one breath from my body, a satellite with stormy eyes, a heart that feels like running, but it's alright. The way that I see you there, while my chest comes under, like water runs and crests, no ceasing this beating drum.
Currently driving the Mahindra Thar in Igatpuri, the gorgeous property that Mahindra has dedicated for off-road training, and it's going great. We have some really experienced teachers who are taking us through the nitty-gritties and know-hows of perfect off-road. You can see we are all like muddy and the boys have had a great time. It's proper monsoon in Maharashtra, so it's thundering and raining, but we couldn't have asked for a better day because it's perfect for off-roading and we're just having a lot of fun.
So come in, I'll take you down here. I'll lay you on the wall and I'll let you.
I hear those mountains call for something more, but there's nothing more.